Hey, what's going on, y'all? Went fishing with my buddy Tom. We hit some new stuff. It was pretty far to get there, about 2.5 miles, and it was real foggy, dark. We launched off about 6:30 or so, and got a little a little discombobulated along the way. So brand new stuff in the fog, in the dark is a little tricky, but I was familiar with about halfway. So we ended up getting there, and we did real good. I had someone tell me a while back. He said, "Man, I went down to the coast for my first time, and I didn't do any good." And I said, "Okay." He said, "It was a complete waste of my time." And I was thinking, was it a complete waste? I said, did you learn anything? Nah, I didn't learn anything. I said, well, you're out there for the wrong reasons then. There's plenty of things out on the water that to me are more important than just catching fish. It's all about the experience. Yeah, I do pretty good. I catch a lot of fish, but what y'all don't see is that I sometimes have a tough day too. So it doesn't make for a great video if I go out there and only catch one fish and post a video. So yeah, I post a few videos every week, and there's usually limits, but fishing to me isn't all about catching limits. That is a great bonus, but just going out there and experiencing everything that the water has to offer, that to me is what fishing is all about. Thanks for watching. Let's go get those lines tight. Big red. Damn it, man. Yeah, the good spots are always real far. No, not always, but me and you, we just like to explore and hit new stuff. There he is. Y'all see him come up and hit that wake bait? Not a very big red, but he's slot. Pretty nice red. He's about 20 and a half. Oh, there he goes. There you go. On that grass edge. I wonder why I didn't hit it a while ago when I cast it there. Nice red, nice red. About the same size as that other one. He's slide also. 21. Thanks, dude. Well, there was one on the grass edge. I'll come all the way to the jetties and I'm fishing the freaking flats. For one, that ain't the jetties I was looking for. And for two, you gotta go where the fish are calling you. Yep. Oh, we pulling some drag, boy. He hit it as soon as it hit the water. It's not the same fish I was casting to. Ooh. Another slot. There's the limit. Whoa, oh, don't you do it. Don't you flip out. Another slot. They're all like 21 right in there. He's about 22. Weights up there. I told you there's some weight. There goes a tail. Redfish tail. Oh, easy on that light tackle. Golly, easy on that light tackle, dude. It was a couple of tails, it wasn't just one. Tighten the drag just a little bit. There. Oh. Yeah, it's not too tight, but it's a good fish. Man, they give that light tackle hell, dude. He's not that big. He's a nice one, though. Get out of there, dude. The drag was a little loose. This drag freaking like moves sometimes. Yeah, I seen your tail, man. Sticking your tail up like that. Nah, he's pretty nice, this mid-slot. And he broke my tail off my gulp. Thanks, buddy. Thank you for showing me your tail. There was actually 2 or 3, I think. He said, I'm tired, man. Give me a second. Oh,